Now let's move on, and what we're going to do is the Car Wow sound check. And enjoy a soft limiter at 4,000 RPM. They haven't changed that with this new performance model. Why not? Ah!
Let's have a listen to that BMW.
Soft limiter, 5,000 revs.
That's still 1,000 revs more than I've got with my softy.
Go on, Mercedes, do it.
Oh, 4,000.
What is the world coming to? I mean, why? Can someone answer that? Also, blooming stop-start. I hate stop-start. Does anyone else hate stop-start? I'd rather do 1 less mile per gallon than have the car constantly stopping and starting.
Yeah, it's pretty frustrating, and yes, in an M5 competition that you just spent £111,000 on, I would like to be able to rev beyond 5,000 revs if that's okay with everyone else.